Increasing diversity in the aviation industry is important to me because
diversity in aviation means a lot to me because
increasing diversity in aviation is so important because
little boys and girls that are like me and my other student leader peers get to see someone that represents them and envision a viable career in aviation.
I am most looking forward to the event in the aspect that we're all coming together kind of for the first time ever as diversity organizations and industry professionals to acknowledge our diversity and kind of come together to share our perspectives and insights on the issue and matter.
Just like any other industry, you want to have an inclusive, safe environment for all, whether have people from different race, ethnicity, religion, sexual identity. Having that diversity allows for a safe work environment.
Something big for myself being a woman in aviation in the industry. Granted, it's growing in the industry, becoming better as we move on with time. It's something that we can kind of stand out on and bring light to the situation.
It's about people who look like me in the field that I am so passionate about. I started really looking at aviation as an option for me when I was a lot younger, and there wasn't a lot of representation, especially even 10, 15 years ago. And so seeing that change and seeing people get more diverse across the industry is super near and dear to my heart because I fit that narrative, and I want to be one of those people who gets to be on the flight deck and is somebody for those younger people to look up to.
I'm most looking forward to is just hearing from all of the panelists as well as moderating, but really just being able to hear everyone's perspective because I know that each person has their own unique story, and I think that it's going to be really, really beneficial for the student body.
We are also inspiring the next generation of pilots, and by kind of starting the conversation and taking an initiative, things are going to change. It might not change today, it might not change tomorrow, but just one step at a time.